Hello time conquerors, welcome to Financial Whiteboard World, the go-to destination for practical wisdom. Today we're delving into the realm of time management, a skill that can truly transform your life. So buckle up as we explore the techniques to make every moment count. First on our list is the power of prioritization. Not all tasks are created equal. Learn to distinguish between what's urgent and what's important. Prioritize your to-do list and focus on high-impact activities. Next up, the Pomodoro technique. This time management gem breaks your work into intervals, usually 25 minutes separated by short breaks. It's a productivity game changer, helping you maintain focus and prevent burnout. Moving on to time blocking. Allocate specific blocks of time for different activities, whether it's work tasks, personal projects, or relaxation. Time blocking enhances efficiency by minimizing multitasking. Now, let's discuss the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. This simple rule prevents small tasks accumulating and overwhelming your to-do list. Fifth on our journey is set SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals provide clear direction and motivation. SMART goals give your time purpose and structure. Next, embrace technology tools. Leverage apps and tools designed for time management. From task managers to calendar apps, technology can be a powerful ally in optimizing your daily schedule. Seventh technique is learn to say no. Time is a precious resource, and overcommitting can lead to burnout. Politely decline tasks that don't align priorities to protect your time. Let's not forget batch processing. Group similar tasks and tackle them during dedicated time slots. Batch processing minimizes the mental load of constant task switching and enhances efficiency. 8. Regular breaks. Counterintuitive as it may seem, taking short breaks boosts overall productivity. Refresh your mind and body to maintain focus during work periods. Penultimately, reflection and adjustment. Regularly assess your time management strategies. Identify what works and what needs adjustment. Continuous improvement is the key to mastering time. Lastly, mindfulness practices. Incorporate mindfulness into your routine. Being present and focus on the task at hand enhances efficiency and overall well-being. If you found these time management techniques insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more practical wisdom. Until our next exploration, keep mastering time. This is Financial Whiteboard World.